Hi guys, I am Phil Mackenzie from the Lean Squad. Today we're going through a quick 5-minute warm-up. We're going to show you exactly how I like to warm up and the Lean Squad's method of getting your body nice and warm. I promise you your heart rate will be up by the end of it and you'll be firing into your HIIT. Now, quick little note, if you're on the treadmill and you're doing a cardio HIIT, obviously you're going to want to incorporate the treadmill in your warm-up. I'm here in Florida, so I'm just doing a full body weight HIIT today. So that means my warm-up is just going to be all body weight stuff. Lift the heart rate, nice quick tempo, just the Lean Squad way. In every warm-up, we always want to focus on getting our muscles nice and loose. That's the whole idea. When it comes time to our HIIT training, we can move as fast as possible and ideally prevent any injuries from happening. That is exactly what we did when I played rugby, and that is exactly what we do here in the Lean Squad. This is what I like to call the lean up, aka a warm-up, the Lean Squad way. So let's get lean. 3, 2, 1. So this is just nice and easy. 20 seconds running on the spot. So I'm not lifting my knees too high. And I'm using my arms just like I would be if I was running. So in 8 seconds, I've just got my timer going 20 seconds on. We're gonna go into a new move. It's called lunge and reach. 2, 1. So I reach over, I'm pushing this hip flexor forward, and then I come back. Don't push it too much. Just kind of feel the stretch. That's your hip flexor there on my right side. This is my hip flexor on the left side. So I'm pushing that forward. I'm reaching over. 5 seconds. We got one more each side. 2, 1. So this is one of my favorite ones, is the inchworm. So I'm stretching the hamstrings and I'm gonna walk the hands out. This is awesome because it warms up your shoulders, your core, and your hammies. All right, so if you can't touch your toes, slight bend in the legs, and then walk out. Remember, it's not a push-up. Try and get those hands out in front. All right, now we're going fast feet. So it's not quite high knees, just little fast feet. See how we're going exercise to exercise. Oh, my shoelace is undone, but I'm gonna keep the leanness going. So again, use your arms. That's the sound of leanness. 2, 1, and we go into hamstring sweep. All right, so I do a little quick shuffle in between. It's just something we did when we played rugby, or when I played rugby, sorry. And then you should feel that right in the back of your hamstring. We want our hammies nice and loose because they help us move nice and fast, especially if you're sprinting. Whoop. And now wide stance. My head follows my hands. My arms are straight. You should feel this one in the lower back. Whew. Feels really good. 8 seconds. And try and get your head to follow your hands. It just wakes up your brain, makes you a little more alert. 2, 1. Now we're into jumping jacks. So again, this isn't the HIIT, so we're not moving crazy fast. We're just trying to get nice and warm. Feet go out, hands go up. 5 seconds. 2, 1. And we're just I don't have a lot of room here, so I'll go this way. Shuffling, okay? So hopefully you have a nice little lean zone. I'm stretching out my groin here. 8 more seconds. Then we're gonna go into fast feet, one last one. So I feel that stretch, and here we go, fast feet. So now we start going a little faster. See how my heart rate's already getting up. So you can go pretty fast here. Your muscles should be contracting a bit. 2, 1. All right, this one. Walk the hand out, touch the toes, okay? So again, you feel that stretch. You should feel it in the back of your hammies. You just rock out, shoulders, core, everything's warming up. 2, 1, and we're going into the Cobra. So it's a lower back stretch. Okay, then I come back up, a little yoga, feel it in my calves there, come through. I like to wiggle side to side. 5 seconds. And back up. I walk it all the way up. And again, we're spinning the hands again. This is a really good one. So I'm just throwing a whole bunch of exercises, warm up activation that will really Make sure my body is nice and warm. We've got less than a minute to go. And we're gonna go into high knees in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now we're picking the knees up a little more, driving the arms. Trying to see what time we're on. Oh, we've got one last exercise, I think. So nice and high. Try and go fast now. 2, 1, and we're just last one. Into calf stretch. Try to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm out. Shoulder tap, back in. So on the shoulder tap, this again, nice and stable, nice and controlled. This part's not a race. And last one, rock out the calves, and then you're all the way up. And that is a 5-minute lean up. I'm already a little sweaty. My whole body is warm now, and that means I can get into my HIIT maximum speed, because that's all what it's all about. Want to make sure we get a good nice warm up in before you go 100 miles an hour and get extra lean.